This is the brand new WeGear CHERRY PIXIU98 mechanical keyboard, a collaboration that combines Cherry's legendary switch technology with WeGear's high-performance design. It's a super premium, compact 95-key gaming keyboard that feels and sounds way more expensive than it looks. From the build quality to the typing experience, this thing screams quality right out of the box. If this keyboard fits what you've been looking for in a desktop setup, check out the link in the description. Pre-orders start on November 14th and official sales go live on November 21st, so don't miss it. Let's unbox it and check out all the incredible features this keyboard has to offer. The CHERRY PIXIU98 comes in a clean black box. On the front, you'll see a large image of the keyboard showing off its vibrant RGB lighting and compact 95-key layout. The top corner features both the WeGear and Cherry logos, confirming it's powered by genuine Cherry switches. Flip it around and on the back you'll find a detailed list of specs, including the switch type, connectivity options, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz, wireless and USB-C wired, battery life details. Inside the box you get the PIXIU98 mechanical keyboard, nicely wrapped in protective foam, a user manual with setup instructions and shortcut guides, a brand sticker, a black 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, a detachable braided USB-A to USB-C cable for charging and wired mode, and switch puller for customization. Everything is neatly packed and well presented, giving that premium unboxing vibe. Clean, organized, and clearly designed with attention to detail. Right away, this keyboard feels premium, solid, weighty, and clean. I really like the compact 98% layout. You still get a numpad, but the whole board is smaller than a full-size keyboard, which gives you more space for your mouse or even your camera setup. It comes with PBT pudding style keycaps. The tops are durable matte PBT and the translucent sides let the RGB lighting shine evenly. That makes the colors really pop, especially in a dark room or during intense gaming sessions. The case feels sturdy with minimal flex. The design is sleek and compact with smooth edges and an aluminum style finish. It weighs about 1,191 grams, giving it a satisfying heft. The premium gasket construction and multi-layer sound dampening make it feel solid and high-end. The first thing that caught my eye is the LCD smart display and control knob on the top right. It's not just for looks. You can adjust volume, RGB brightness, switch lighting modes, and even check battery level, APM, and active profiles in real time. There are 11 lighting modes, and I love switching them depending on the game I'm playing. The RGB looks especially impressive in a dark room with really vibrant colors that make the keyboard stand out. One of the best things about the CHERRY PIXIU98 is its real CHERRY MX2, a hot-swappable switches. These are genuine Cherry switches, so they feel smooth, consistent, and extremely durable. And because they're CHERRY MX2A switches, they're built to last with a lifespan of 100 million keystrokes. These hot swappable switches are easy to replace and require no soldering, making it simple to customize the keyboard exactly how you like it. The keyboard measures about 15.35 inches long, 5.5 inches wide, and 1.38 inches tall. Compact but still comfortable for long typing sessions. Typing on this keyboard feels incredibly smooth. The MX2A switches have a soft, consistent press, and the 4-layer sound dampening really works. It reduces echo and spring ping, giving a creamy and satisfying sound. If you love that thocky tone, you'll appreciate how well tuned this board feels straight out of the box. Listen to how it sounds when I type. For long typing sessions or script writing, it's comfortable and quiet enough to record in front of a mic. for gaming, it's fast, precise, and responsive. You can really feel the accuracy in FPS games, online battle arena games, and even Delta-style simulation games, where every keystroke matters for combos, macros, or quick in-game commands. To get the most out of the CHERRY PIXIU98, you can install the CHERRY utility software on your PC. Once installed, it opens up a lot of customization options that really enhance both gaming and productivity. Through the software, you can customize the LCD display with your own photos or icons, change RGB lighting, set up macros, remap keys, and save different profiles for work or gaming. When it comes to performance, the PIXIU98 is seriously impressive. You get 8000 Hz polling in wired mode and 4000 Hz via the 2.4 GHz dongle, plus triple connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. This makes it both responsive and versatile for gaming, typing, or any setup you want. Overall, the WeGear CHERRY PIXIU98 is a fantastic keyboard that blends premium materials, advanced features, and creator-friendly design. It's responsive enough for gaming, smooth enough for typing, and stylish enough to make any setup look better. If you're looking for a compact mechanical keyboard with high-end specs, wireless freedom, and a great typing experience, this one deserves a serious look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and checking out this premium keyboard. If you liked it, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.